Hello everyone, photographer Andredesignz here with a new YouTube video, and today we'll be talking about ways to respect a photographer who could actually be your friend. Let's get right to it. No, let's talk a bit. So the first thing you should do is to understand the process and know what you're actually paying for, right? For example, let's say that a baker is going to bake a cake for you, right? Would you tell the baker that, hey, I'm going to take the butter and I'm going to bring that home and I'm going to bake the cake because I've baked a cake before and I have an oven at home? Would you do that? And then you're going to say, hey, guess what? Since I'm going to bake the cake, I want a discount. No, you would never do that. So guess what? Do not ask us for the raw images because we're not going to take the photos and then give them to you so you can actually edit the images. No, that's not how it is. You're paying us for a service, so once I take the photos and I come home, I'm going to finish baking those photos and send them off to you. So don't ask for the raw images because you have edited photos before on your phone. It doesn't work like that. So most of you guys are always doing this. You're always asking for more images than what we tell you that you'll be getting. I offer 15 images. If I'm going to give you 15 images, that's what you're paying for. If I feel like to give you more, well, I'll give you more, but don't ask for more than the 15 images that I'm going to give you because that's what you're paying for. Trust me, photographers do not gain anything by keeping those wonderful images from you. If those images are not included, there has to be a particular reason why you're not getting those images. We have some people also, if you give them a black and white photos, they're asking you for the colored version. It must be a reason why we give you a black and white photo. Sticking with the cake analogy, asking for the raw images is like asking for the shell of the egg that you put inside. Okay, whatever. All right, so most of you guys are expecting free photography as a friend, right? Don't ever expect me to come at your event to give you free photos because we are friends. That cannot actually pay my bills. If I offer to come at your event to do free photos, yeah, accept it. But don't you ever ask me to come with my camera or invite me to an event just because I'm a photographer, because you know that I may carry my camera and I will take free photos for you. No, it doesn't work like that. I'm sure you would never ask for free products from another professional person. So why would you ask it because I'm your friend? Why would you ask me for free photos? Come on, think about it. I have to pay bills. So this is one of my biggest pet peeves. When I give you the photos, you crop my logo out. I hate this and I'll just strangle you guys for doing stuff like that. Trust me, if I do a free photo shoot with you and you're going to crop my logo out, trust me, I will never want to work with you again. This is one of the reasons why I don't work with a lot of people that I've worked with before, because they crop my logo and I just hate it. You know what I don't understand? I mean, you should understand that photography, a photographer's work is like, it's an art, right? Let me ask you, would you purchase a portrait or a frame or a canvas and then, all right, you know, you have some artists, normally when they do like a canvas or a painting, they would have their signature on it. Would you actually purchase that, pay thousands of dollars for that, and then cut off that section where it has the artist's signature? It's the same thing. You would never do that. So why would you crop out my images? I don't understand. Why would you crop my logo from the image? That makes no sense whatsoever. Trust me, you're taking away the photographer's credit. Listen, most times in the contract it says use the watermark version for posting on social media, friends and family, and use the non-watermark one for printing only. Come on. Guys, listen, do not edit the photos that you've received. Photographers spend hours upon hours to come up with a certain color and a certain, how should I put it, a look, right? And then you're going to get those images and then boom, you're gonna put a filter on it, an Instagram filter on it, a Facebook filter on it. Like, seriously, you need to understand that whatever the photographer create, whatever colors are put in the photos, that is what the photographer want people to see. That is the how should I put it? I don't even know how to put it, but I mean, that's the art. You cannot put filtered you cannot put filter on the images and then post it on the social media. I mean, once you apply image to it, it takes away everything from that image. So it's no longer art. It's rubbish, trust me. So please do not put any filter on the images once a photographer provide you with the images. Please don't. If you don't like the photographer's style of editing, then do not hire that photographer. Once you go on that photographer's page, you know exactly how that photographer edits. So if you do not like that edit and you wish to add your filter to it, please do not hire me. Please don't. Listen to me. Do not hire your friend for no other reason other than you loving that friend's work, right? If you're gonna hire me for a birthday party, or not even a birthday party, but like a birthday photo shoot, right? If you absolutely love my work, hire me for that reason. Do not hire me because you want to get a discount. Because guess what? If I don't feel like I want to give you a discount, I am not going to give you a discount. Not because we know each other for years, we went to school together, it doesn't matter. Listen to me. If I give you an image and you're going to post it on Facebook or any social media, Instagram, give us proper credit for those images. Please. You did not take the photos yourself, right? It's very easy for you to just say @Andredesignz and post the image on social media. Why is it that you want to crop out the logo and then you want to not give me credit for the image? I don't understand. I mean, that will help me to get more business. You don't want me to get more business? How did you know about me? Well, this is for people who is not a friend. But come on, you need to give us credit. It's very easy. It takes seconds for you to just tag me in a photo or to just mention my name. Come on, guys, think about it. I'm gonna say this again. Do not invite me to an event with the intention of me shooting there free for you. Believe it or not, photography is a very hard work. Not because you think that we're gonna just take a camera and just click, and that's it. No, that's not it. We have to be creative on spot. We have to ensure that we catch everything that's happening, anything in that event that's happening. We have to ensure that we catch that, right? What you guys should understand is that the camera itself does not make the image. The photographer made the image, trust me. So do not say things like, no wonder your images are so great because you're using that expensive camera, a Sony A7 III or a D750 or a D5 or all those nice cameras. That's an insult. Like, trust me, that's an insult. I've been doing photography for years. We've been doing photographies for years, and you're gonna say it's because of that camera why the photos come out so nice. Saying that the camera actually makes the photo look so nice is like you telling a painter that, hey, if you get more expensive paint, I mean, the artwork would look better. That's how we see it, trust me. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm not even going to tell you guys to subscribe or like this video. Just do what you want to do. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for another video. Bye bye.